Mr. Kavya,
Yes,
what is more important in life, money or
that
relationship?
relationship is more important in life because we can earn money by relationship, but we can't earn relationship by money. And money and relationship give us happiness and satisfaction.
Is that today's children's activities are different from the past?
Yes, of course. Today's children like to play indoor games like mobile games, computer games, etc. And like to spend their time with their friends to do different activities. And they like to play only in home, not to like in.
When communication is necessary,
Yes, good communication is necessary because we can explain our topic easily and very fast to other, and he also understand very easily, and this makes our communication very clear and fast.
according to you, how can we develop our good communication skills?
According to me, we can develop our good communication skill by interesting books and other, and improve our vocabulary power, and it gives confidence. Of course, I watch TV because it makes us laugh, and I get very interest in TV.
How much time do you spend watching TV? How much time?
I think that I spend in watching TV 1 to 2 hours, not hours, because if we watch more time if we watch more TV, it causes health problems.
Very nice, very nice.